VJ22. Got it running, but I think it's got a crankcase seal, because as soon as you give it a bit of rev, so it takes off. I've got to turn it off, let it idle again. The smoke that's coming out looks like crank oil. It smells a bit different. Does sound a bit metally on the top end. Ran out of fuel. Borrowed some mufflers to see how it sounded. I can let it clean up. The swing arm's a bit cleaner, as you can see. Well, that's where it's up to at this stage. The carbies, I pulled them out. They're pretty dirty. That could be another reason why it's blowing smoke. One of the jets are still blocked and sucking more air in from somewhere else. I think the engine's going to need a full rebuild. There it is. Backfired again, installed. Well, thanks for watching again. Hopefully we'll get to the next stage and see what happens.